Looking for the perfect gas cooktop that delivers power, safety, and value for money? Stick around as we rank and review 5 top-rated options, from the weakest to the absolute best. Starting off at the bottom of our list is the Loblich model. It looks modern with that sleek black glass finish, but when it comes to real-world performance, it's not quite hitting the mark. It's an affordable pick, sure, but there are some trade-offs to keep in mind, especially if you're cooking for a busy household. Now, it does have a few solid features. You get a variety of burner sizes, including a high-powered center burner that hits just over 11,000 BTUs. It's also dual fuel, which means it works with both natural gas and propane. Super handy if you're in a rural area or off-grid. The cast iron grates are tough and provide good pan stability, and the auto ignition system is nice and easy to use. However, here's where it falls short. It lacks critical safety features like flame failure protection, which most higher-end models include as standard. It's also a tempered glass surface, which looks beautiful, but it's more fragile and prone to damage than stainless steel. Plus, it doesn't come with any clear manufacturer warranty, which is a bit of a red flag for reliability. If you're on a tight budget and just need something simple to get the job done, this could work for you, but if safety, durability, or heavy-duty cooking is a priority, you might want to keep watching. And by the way, links to every product we reviewed today at the best price we could find are right down below in the video description. Next up is the Deli-Kit, and while it offers a few improvements over the Loblich, it still lands in the lower tier of our ranking. It's another budget-friendly option that covers the basics and even steps up a bit in terms of build. The stainless steel surface is a practical upgrade, more durable than glass, and easier to maintain long-term. You still get a solid mix of burner sizes and cast iron grates for support. Plus, this one includes flame-out protection, a safety feature that shuts off gas if the flame goes out. That alone puts it ahead of our previous model. Still, it's not perfect. There's no advertised warranty, which can be risky if something goes wrong. Some users have noted cosmetic flaws or minor quality control issues with the knobs and burner alignment. It's not deal-breaking stuff, but worth keeping in mind. If you're after a reliable entry-level cooktop with a bit more safety baked in, the Deli-Kit is a reasonable pick. It's especially great for landlords or rental units where price matters. And hey, if you're finding this video helpful so far, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more straight up product reviews. Sliding into the middle of the pack, we've got the Empava cooktop. This one is a definite step up in polish, performance, and peace of mind. It's a great choice if you want something sleek, safe, and built to last. The burner setup here is solid. You've got a 12,000 BTU dual ring burner for high heat tasks, plus a good mix of mid-range and simmer burners. What really sets it apart though is the combination of build quality and warranty. It's all stainless steel with heavy cast iron grates and sealed burners, and you're covered by a 2-year warranty. That's double what many competitors offer. Of course, it's not perfect. Some users say the knobs aren't super premium in feel, and fine-tuning the flame for low heat cooking can be a bit tricky. Still, those are pretty minor gripes in an otherwise well-rounded package. If you're looking for a dependable, feature-packed cooktop at a fair price, the Empava is worth a serious look. It's especially ideal for families who cook often and want long-term value without going overboard. Now we're moving into the heavy hitters. The TOPWISH model comes in bigger, bolder, and better suited for serious cooks. With a 36-inch footprint, this one gives you plenty of space to work with, and the performance to back it up. It's built tough, with all stainless steel construction, continuous cast iron grates, and reliable auto ignition. The burner spread is fantastic, from a 12,000 BTU dual ring down to a 3,400 BTU simmer burner. It's the perfect mix for boiling, sauteing, and simmering all at once. You also get modern safety features like thermocouple protection, and the cooktop is dual fuel compatible. That said, the warranty situation is a bit unclear. Some sellers offer limited coverage, but it's not always easy to confirm. Plus, its wider size means it won't fit in every kitchen, so check those cutout dimensions before you buy. If you've got the counter space and you want a professional feel at a home cooked price, the TOPWISH cooktop might just be your perfect match. Just be sure your kitchen can handle the larger footprint. And finally, topping our list is the GASLAND PRO. This one hits the sweet spot with power, protection, and bonus features that really deliver. If you want the best all-around performer, this is it. Let's start with heat. This cooktop packs a punch with a total output of over 41,000 BTUs, including a 13,000 BTU triple ring burner that gets your water boiling in no time. You also get a heavy-duty cast iron griddle included, which is awesome for breakfast lovers and seared meats. The surface is black enamel, not as common, but it looks sleek and holds up well with proper care. Now, no product is perfect. The black enamel might show stains more easily than stainless steel, and the knobs, while functional, could feel more premium. Still, these are minor trade-offs considering all the power, safety, and accessories you get. If you're serious about cooking and want the best balance of performance and price, GASLAND PRO is a no-brainer. It's ideal for everyday cooks, food lovers, and anyone looking to upgrade without splurging on luxury brands. There you have it, 5 great options, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. If you want to check out any of the cooktops we mentioned, all the links are waiting for you down in the description. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more honest reviews coming your way.